My beloved child, I see the weariness in your heart. I see how hard you have been searching, running after a love that always seems just out of reach. You have poured your soul into empty places, only to feel drained and unseen. Stop chasing, my child. Breathe. Rest your spirit in me. You do not need to force what I have already planned for you. State, "I believe in his timing," in the comments if you trust me today. When loneliness feels like a towering giant standing before you, remember David. He did not defeat Goliath by running in fear or by forcing a victory in his own strength. He stood firm, armed with the unwavering faith that I was with him. The emptiness you feel right now is your giant, but you do not face it alone. I am standing right beside you. You are fully seen, fully known, and infinitely cherished by me. Do not let the storms of rejection or the painful silence of waiting make you lose your way. Think of the Apostle Paul, tossed by the violent waves of a dark, unending storm. When everyone else panicked, he found peace because he knew my promise was true. Your current season is like that storm. It may feel chaotic, and you may wonder when the skies will clear, but I am steering your ship. I am guiding the right heart toward yours, preparing both of you for a love that heals and honors. Declare Amen right now if you are ready to receive this promise. Stop exhausting yourself trying to prove your worth to those who cannot see it. I have already deemed you worthy. The love I am bringing to you will not require you to beg or to chase. It will arrive softly, exactly when you are ready. Keep your eyes on me, trust my heart, and wait with peace. Your beautiful season is coming. I love you.